Looking for a universal testing machine for all kinds of tension, compression, bending, and shearing tests? Our ETM series electronic UTM are the perfect choice for you. Our frame adopts the double testing space for column structures, and upper space for the tensile test and lower space for the compression test.
Upper for tensional test, lower for compression test. Meet different testing requirements by replacing different fixtures. High-quality appearance coating is carefully crafted, has anti-fouling and anti-corrosion capability. Hand control box to manually operate the testing machine and adjust the moving beam. Now connect the data transmission cable and power cable, then turn on the switch. Open software. Select testing standards. Set up a new test on the software based on the sample information. Install sample onto lower fixture. Adjust the middle to proper position and clamp onto upper fixture. Manually tighten the fixture. Start the test. Once sample break, the test will stop automatically, and remove sample from fixture. Export the test report. Print out the test report.